11. Strange discoveries on Mars that prove aliens exist. Mars, the dry and barren planet, often evokes images of a desolate landscape filled with rocks. However, it is hard to imagine that, at some point in ancient history, the surface of this planet resembled Earth, with vast oceans and clear blue skies. Scientists believe that millions of years ago, Mars not only had water, but also conditions favorable for life to thrive. Modern spacecraft have been launched with the hope of finding traces of past life. Discoveries from these explorations have unveiled marvelous mysteries, from ancient rivers to remnants of groundwater. In today's video, join us as we explore strange images found on this red planet, revealing that the universe may hold many surprises and that life might not be limited to our own planet. The strange spoon, floating above the surface of Mars. In 2015, a photo of Mars's terrain sent back by the Curiosity rover left scientists astonished. The image revealed an object resembling a spoon, floating in mid-air. This object accidentally came into Curiosity's view while it was conducting its mission on the red planet. The shadow cast by the object indicated that it was hovering quite high above the ground, contradicting known physical laws. The image quickly became a focal point on various forums, sparking excitement among online communities and space exploration enthusiasts. Previously, Curiosity had also captured images of other objects that resembled familiar items like rings and gloves, raising debates about the possibility of life on Mars. In response to the wave of speculation, a NASA representative explained that the spoon might just be a normal rock eroded by Martian winds or a rare type of stone. However, they also acknowledged that whether the object was truly floating remained uncertain, and this explanation did not completely convince the public. Notably, in 2016, another spoon was discovered on Mars's surface. This one was larger and buried in sand. This finding further strengthened the hypothesis of signs related to extraterrestrial life. These images and discoveries have sparked human imagination and curiosity, raising numerous questions about the history of the red planet and the potential for life in the universe. While scientific explanations may describe these phenomena as natural occurrences, their allure continues to captivate both the scientific community and the public. The alien face on the surface of Mars. In 2005, NASA released a photo taken by space probes on the red planet, known as the Chryse alien. This image quickly captured public attention when it was posted on the agency's website. According to NASA, it is merely a meteorite-impacted crater with an unusual shape due to subsequent erosion. However, many independent researchers questioned this explanation, arguing that the shapes in the photo could not have formed naturally. The most striking feature of the image is two eyes, measuring up to 250 meters in length, perfectly sized and symmetrical, leading many to associate it with the appearance of a creature. The grooves along the central forehead of the object give the impression of a unique feature, reminiscent of imagery commonly seen in alien culture. This has sparked extensive debate within the research community and among space enthusiasts. This strange image not only stimulates the imagination, but also raises numerous hypotheses about the existence of intelligent beings on Mars. Many in the online community suggest that the possibility of extraterrestrial beings or civilizations having existed on this planet is quite high. Notably, some studies indicate that fossilized animals might also be found in images from Mars, opening the door to the possibility of a rich ecosystem in the past. Although NASA continues to assert that this image can be explained by geological theories, its allure only grows stronger. Images like the Chryse alien not only hint at mysteries about the red planet's history, but also inspire bigger questions about life in the universe. As science and mystery intersect, humanity is increasingly eager to explore and understand the vast mysteries of the cosmos. Human bones on Mars. In August 2014, NASA's Curiosity rover captured an eye-catching photo of the Martian surface, showing layers of rock buried in sand. Among these, an object resembling a human thigh bone sparked curiosity. Many viewed this image as evidence that life may have existed on Mars in the past, or even the existence of human-like beings. This isn't the first time NASA has documented strange objects that raise doubts. In 2012, the American rover sent back images of an object resembling the skull of a monster, commonly referred to as Bigfoot in folklore. These discoveries not only ignite the imagination, but also fuel discussions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Most recently, the rover captured an object that looks like a human skeleton. Notably, this relic features a large skull adorned with some kind of jewelry or decorative headpiece, suggesting it could belong to a king, a religious symbol, or perhaps a fallen warrior from a legendary battle. All these discoveries pose an intriguing question. Could this be a message from extraterrestrials sent to Earth? Or are they simply natural structures we have yet to fully understand? These mysteries have long captivated human imagination and continue to motivate scientists to research and explore the origins of life in the universe. The Warrior Statue. A group called Paranormal Crucible recently discovered a strange object while researching NASA's archived materials. They posted a video on YouTube explaining their find and describing the intriguing object they believe to be an ancient statue. According to the research team, this object resembles a gray alien or possibly an extraterrestrial insect. In the video, Paranormal Crucible presents images taken by Mars probes, suggesting that the statue appears to be wearing a spacesuit and holding a weapon. Many viewers expressed excitement, speculating that this could be the petrified remains of an alien warrior on the Martian surface. This discovery has captured the attention of the community interested in paranormal phenomena and space exploration, sparking lively discussions about the potential existence of life beyond Earth. Proponents of this theory argue that this could be evidence that humans are not the only intelligent beings in the universe. They believe this discovery may open up new questions about the history of the Red Planet and possible civilizations that may have existed there. Conversely, some scientists criticize these conclusions, emphasizing that the images could simply be natural phenomena or optical illusions created by light reflecting off rocky surfaces. Nevertheless, Paranormal Crucible's discovery has sparked an intriguing discussion about the possibility of extraterrestrial life and the mysteries that still linger on Mars. What do you think about this discovery? Could it be a sign of an alien civilization or just a product of nature? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The mysterious woman on Mars. NASA's Curiosity rover caused a stir when it captured a photo featuring a bizarre figure, believed to be a woman standing on a rock on the red planet's surface. The image shows a humanoid shape, with shadows on the chest clearly indicating the breasts of a woman. In the brighter areas, 2 arms and long hair can be seen. Notably, in the direction the woman is facing, there is an unidentified disc-shaped object. This has led many to believe that it is not a naturally formed object. Some express skepticism, suggesting it might be a statue rather than a living being. However, many have dismissed this idea, arguing that if it were a small statue, it would have eroded away long ago, and therefore, they believe it could be a real person. This discovery has sparked extensive discussion about the possibility of life on Mars in the past. Not stopping there, in another area of Mars, the Curiosity rover also found a strange entity among some rocks. In the images, an unusual shape appears on a bronze-colored rock, contrasting sharply with the surrounding environment. When zoomed in, the object resembles a person sitting on the rock, holding their hands around their head, as if observing their surroundings. These discoveries have led many to believe that this could be a sign of beings surviving from an ancient civilization on Mars. These images not only stimulate the imagination, but also raise many questions about the history of the Red Planet and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Statue of an ancient deity. A photo of the Martian surface taken by NASA's Opportunity rover has drawn considerable attention as members discovered a rock formation resembling the face of Nabu, the ancient Assyrian god of wisdom. According to descriptions, the face is turned to the left, and when viewed straight on, it bears striking similarities to images of ancient humans from Mesopotamian civilization. This discovery has sparked the imagination of many, leading them to wonder whether there could be cultural signs of lost civilizations on the Red Planet. Notably, in October 2015, the UFO Sightings Daily website published an image of another strange rock formation believed to depict a Buddha. The photo clearly shows the face and head of the statue facing right, along with other features such as the chest, abdomen, and shoulders. These findings have fueled speculation that signs of past life may have existed on Mars, or at the very least, cultural indicators resembling those of humans. Beyond these discoveries, many similar images have been shared by UFO enthusiasts in the past, including rocks and natural formations they believe resemble Buddha statues. These discoveries not only provoke debate, but also raise significant questions about the potential existence of civilizations on Mars in the past. However, scientists emphasize that these shapes could merely be the products of natural weathering processes. Nevertheless, exploring and understanding these strange phenomena remains a vital part of our quest to study the red planet. With each new photo and discovery published, we gain more opportunities to deepen our understanding of Mars's history and its potential for life in the universe. Morse code on Mars. In February 2016, a specialized camera for scientific experiments on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter captured strange images of dark sand patterns on the Martian surface. These structures appear as dots and dashes, forming a Morse code-like system, which is a character encoding commonly used for telegraphic communication. This discovery not only piqued curiosity, but also sparked numerous theories about the meaning of these shapes. It is known that this is not the first time researchers have discovered unusual shapes in Martian sand. However, the images collected this time near the northern polar region of the red planet exhibit much higher resolution and detail than previous findings. This has excited the research community and space enthusiasts alike, as these signs may harbor unexplored mysteries. Many believe that these markings present an eerie enigma, potentially a message from extraterrestrial beings to Earth. This hypothesis has attracted the attention of both scientists and those intrigued by the paranormal. The images of these sand patterns evoke thoughts of a possible civilization trying to communicate with us, or they could simply be natural signs that we have yet to decipher. Regardless of the reality, this discovery underscores that Mars still holds many wonders and mysteries waiting to be explored. It not only heightens interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life, but also raises profound questions about our origins and future. With each new finding, we move closer to understanding the red planet and the secrets it still keeps hidden, don't you think? Pipes on Mars. Mysterious images captured by the Mars Global Surveyor's camera have attracted significant attention and sparked debates within the space research community. Upon closer inspection, this structure resembles a glass tube with segments that appear similar to earthworms. The tunnels, approximately 50 meters wide and extending for kilometers, give the impression that they could house a major highway beneath the red surface of the planet. This has left many people astonished and questioning the origins of these structures. Numerous theories have emerged. Most viewers believe this is merely a natural geological phenomenon on Mars, indicating that the planet once had flowing water on its surface. Theories related to volcanic activity, erosion, and other surface formation processes have been suggested, indicating that these images could be the result of past geological events. However, some argue that these structures are signs of a civilization that may have existed on Mars. They cite the claims of Boriska Kiprianovich, the boy known as the Mars Boy, who spoke about the existence of underground cities. The strange and mysterious stories surrounding Boriska have led many to believe in the possibility of life hidden beneath the surface of this planet. So, what do you think? Is there any life existing on Mars? Current research has yet to provide a definitive answer, but the debate on this topic continues to thrive. Strange popcorn rock. For the first time, NASA's Perseverance rover has discovered a strange, brightly colored rock referred to as popcorn rock in the Bright Angel region of Mars. This finding not only enriches our knowledge about the red planet, but also provides valuable clues about the existence of water in the past. The primary mission of Perseverance is to search for evidence of ancient life on Mars, particularly in the Jezero crater, where a lake is believed to have once existed. The rich sediments and geological features here hold great promise. After departing from Washburn Mountain, Perseverance redirected its path toward Bright Angel, a site with bright rock formations that could signify ancient sediments or ancient rocks exposed from riverbeds. According to NASA, popcorn rock not only attracts attention due to its vivid color, but also because of its rough surface, formed from mineral veins, an indication that water once flowed and settled here. This is similar to what occurs on Earth, where mineral veins appear in damp environments. This discovery further supports the hypothesis that water once flowed through this area, opening up possibilities for past life. Perseverance has faced challenging terrain and has frequently adjusted its route to reach potential research areas. After many days of effort, popcorn rock was finally discovered, marking a significant milestone in Martian research. In the next step, The rover will measure the minerals present in popcorn rock and conduct chemical tests. Based on these results, NASA will decide whether to return a sample of popcorn rock to Earth. After completing its mission at Bright Angel, Perseverance will continue its journey to Serpentine Rapids, which promises many new discoveries. This exploration not only clarifies the geological history of Mars, but also raises hopes for research into the possibility of past life on this planet. A giant ocean, hidden beneath Mars. Detected using seismic data collected by NASA's InSight lander, this underground lake contains enough liquid water to cover the entire planet in a mile of water. However, it lies at depths ranging from 11.5 to 20 kilometers within a fractured rock layer, making access extremely challenging, even with current technology. Michael Manga, a professor of Earth and planetary science at UC Berkeley, emphasized that water is essential for life as we know it. He suggested that the underground reservoir could provide an environment conducive to life, similar to deep mines and ocean floors on Earth. Although specific evidence of life has not yet been found, identifying a location that could sustain life has given researchers hope. On the surface of Mars, river channels, delta plains, and dry lake beds indicate that water once existed abundantly. However, about 3.5 billion years ago, the planet's climate underwent a sudden shift, leading to the loss of water from its surface. The cause of this aridity remains unclear. Some theories propose that it may have resulted from a sudden decrease in Mars's magnetic field or from asteroid impacts. Manga and his research team employed mathematical models similar to those used for locating aquifers and oil deposits on Earth to map the internal structure of Mars. Their analysis suggests that the crust may contain fragments of shattered magma rock, which hold enough liquid water to form oceans. This implies that water did not escape into space, but may have dripped into the planet's crust over billions of years. While access to this secret ocean remains distant, NASA has planned a sample collection mission for 2026, though this has now been pushed back to 2040 due to budget issues. The agency is currently seeking support from private companies to expedite the exploration of life on this planet. This discovery not only opens a new chapter in Martian research, but also ignites hope for the existence of life beyond Earth. The mysterious ancient trees. The quest for extraterrestrial life has long driven humanity to explore the vast universe. In this ambitious journey, Mars, the closest neighboring planet to Earth, has always been the focus of scientific attention. Data collected over the years indicates that Mars once had climate and environmental conditions similar to Earth, with the presence of water, an atmosphere, and possibly even life. However, the harsh current environment of Mars, with an average temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide, and extreme solar radiation, seems like a forbidden zone for any living organism. According to Slate, in 1999, a set of images inadvertently captured by NASA's Mars Global Surveyor, MGS, revealed towering ancient trees on the Martian surface, shocking astronomers. These images opened up new hypotheses about the potential existence of a unique ecosystem beyond Earth. The images sent back by MGS showed a vast area of Mars covered by strange forests, with ancient trees reaching heights of up to 20 meters. Their shapes varied widely, from conical and bell-shaped to massive trunks with lush canopies. Most astonishingly, they displayed the vibrant green color of leaves, indicating the presence of thriving life. Following this shocking discovery, scientists began to question how these ancient trees could survive and thrive in the harsh Martian environment. One widely accepted hypothesis among scientists is that these trees might absorb water from deep underground aquifers, helping sustain life in an otherwise water-scarce environment. To test this hypothesis, NASA equipped the rover with advanced life detection instruments capable of analyzing soil composition and determining water content. After months of data collection, scientists found evidence of groundwater on Mars, with a composition similar to that of water on Earth. This discovery further supports the hypothesis regarding the potential existence of life on the red planet. In addition to the groundwater, the carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere on Mars is also believed to be a crucial factor enabling vegetation on the planet to photosynthesize. Scientists theorize that these ancient trees may have evolved to adapt to harsh conditions, using carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to generate energy and nutrients. The existence of these colossal ancient trees on Mars not only demonstrates the resilience of nature, but also opens new avenues for research into the possibility of life beyond Earth. Strange discoveries on Mars are increasingly affirming the possibility of extraterrestrial life. From mineral-like structures and traces of liquid water to mysterious geological signs, everything points to the idea that Mars once had an environment suitable for life. Scientists believe that this evidence not only raises hope for finding ancient life, but also suggests that we might not be alone in the universe. What do you think about this? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on other exciting discoveries. For now, goodbye and see you next time.